Hey vlog, we're late to breakfast for the first time this trip. It's like 2 minutes late. I didn't do a get ready with me because we're late. Seriously, this will have no incentive to eat breakfast. Put your stuff in. Yeah. There's only one place now. Call you the difference between outfits. After having a quick lunch, because we realized that breakfast ends at 40, not 45, we were heading downstairs to get on the boat. Oh, the boat's outside.
I've never eaten so much yogurt so fast.
Same. I think I'm getting sick.
I think I'm gonna get sick because I ate so fast.
Yes, I made up.
Good morning.
I ate so fast. Oh my god.
I'm still got the most
I ate way too fast.
cute top.
You eat it here? Think I'm gonna.
Is that our boat chat?
It is a boat.
It's our boat chat. Yeah. You wanna say something to the vlog? I'm thirsty as shit.
Hi guys, here's
I have to
Josie.
pee.
Hi.
I had to pee.
Ooh, God,
What?
that was an event of you. And Z, we're here for you. Are you excited?
Yes, Sue.
At the camera.
I have to poop my pants. We're on the island. This boat is much bigger. Oh, it's frosted. We're on a ferry.
Yes.
I'm not really saying much, I'm just walking. Oh, fuck. We're gonna be in the sun the entire time. Oh, yeah, this is aesthetic.
There's another one up above us.
Oh, hell no, I'm not trying to get up there.
No, I was crying.
You may be like, Briar, were you only at the island for like 2 hours? And I answered, no, we were not. We're at the island pretty much all day. It's just like in Greece, it's just like when it's 8 o'clock, it like still looks like it's like 3. So we were there like 8 a.m. to like, and we came back around 8 p.m. So we were there pretty much the entire day. Swimming. The swimming was really nice actually. Just couldn't film it because like you gotta live in the moment. My phone is very, very, very not waterproof. So yeah, Now we're back in Athens.
Why can't they just pull these out? It's gonna be missing a tooth.
Look, smile. Smile. No, up. Okay, wait. No, you will see it. You will see it. That's embarrassing. If I like normally smile like this.
Dude, no one's fucking seeing that shit.
Okay, so why can't they just pull these two teeth out, bro? This is when did I work out? It's just hurting so bad right now. Josie, homosexual. Oh, they got free to call up. I feel safe.
Just finished dinner. The best dinner we've had. Going to get gelato on Flintridge Preparatory's dime. That's what I'm talking about.
That flag was beat up, bro.
So I'm just tripped on this shit. Y'all see, motherfucker. Nigga, we just ate. Y'all see, bitches. There's a massive flat screen right there. Let's party. Bitches. Outdated ass song reference.
If we see a giant statue for $25, I will be buying that on the spot.
We ate dinner very early. This is day 9. This is our second to last day in Greece. In the big Europa. In the second poorest country in the EU. That's a fun fact from yours truly. This is the second poorest country in Europe. I genuinely have no idea if that's true or not. Is Greece the second poorest country in Europe? What is it? Yeah, I guess that is true. I had literally no idea why I was saying that or who told me that, but I just kept saying it. And apparently it's true. Greece is the second poorest country in Europe. So that's always interesting. Yeah. And back to the vlog we go. Are we getting latte del gelato? Or are we gonna go further? Fire clock, wood cop. Walk faster. I got this the nuts.
I love how they charge based on scoop and not based on. I like that too.
Level. Damn.
You can probably find a base place to charge. Probably.
Eat on the sidewalk, Miss Josephine.
It's insane that some of these people it could be their first time seeing foreign.
Yeah, and like America, this is a very somewhat.
Right here. I stand by that. I'm Chloe Bryant and I stand by that.
Oh, that man almost hit me because I was walking in the street. Guys, those are the ugliest clothes I've ever seen.
Yeah, but you gotta dig for the good stuff. Sure.
Sure.
Why is there an adage? No.
Further views. The real question is, why are you here?
that window almost took me out. That window, that tire like almost scraped my foot. Dance for us, bro. Dance for us, bro.
You got mad.
What?
I realized that after I said it, guys. Trust.
Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, bro. You need to watch that shit. Oh my god, it's hitting me in the face. It's hitting me in the face. Stop, stop. If I wanted to be salted, bro,
Oh God! Stop
I'd shake
that.
my own head, dude. I don't know if that's salt or dandruff falling off of my head, bro. Bow, bow, bow. Shake them. That place smells really good. Actually, every place here smells like Axe body spray.
I ain't complaining. At least it doesn't smell like piss.
Yeah, I'd rather Axe body spray than in the fish market.
Or piss like NYC. New York, baby, bro. My foot is such a big cramp right now. I'm
Oh,
fucking
sorry.
limping, bro.
It's okay, we're almost there. I thought this place was a little closer. It's
I'm just gonna say I have a leg cramp.
At least I'm not Kelvin Chen doing gang signs up in every photo, bro.
Wait, is that what Calvin did?
He's doing a little. Well,
Let's
obviously,
go with the gay side, fam.
I'm like in every photo, like
Is it the
he's
gay
going like
side?
this.
I don't even know.
I don't even know gang signs, but it's like it looks like. Well, obviously, I don't think it means nothing, but like he just generally just throws it like the same position. Like, you know how people throw the peace sign? Like, he does, like, his weird shit in every photo. Insert photo of Calvin Chen.
I'm just gonna start doing like this, bro, in like every photo. Just
That
like,
definitely means something.
just gonna start looking like this.
So
No, I'm just gonna
aesthetic.
start hitting the
Yeah, but I know what it is.
But in terms of like how valuable you are, how much you can weigh
Damn, this hotel was a lot closer last time I remember it.
every single game. Which is pretty much impossible. Which is impossible. Get me 10 more games.
Last day in Greece. Sunburned, sunny, caught some snacks for the fam, and then we ate them. Yeah, it's the last day, so I'm just heading downstairs. What'd you forget? My glasses and my gas. Okay, guys. I would show you the chapter. It's like not weird, but everything's spelled out because I don't usually write it on my phone. I can't spell. How'd you feel about the museum?
Pretty good. Kind of disappointed there was like no AC. It's a bit hot in there.
Yeah.
Very nice. I liked it. The masks and the comedy and the tragedy masks were pretty cool. I like the spears and stuff. And the coins. Very interesting.
Very. Thank you for your input. How'd you like the museum?
That was cool.
This is actually posting on our Instagram.
I don't know how I could be a writer and I can't spell. Been the number one diva in
Where
this
is-
game.
Story.
really? physical have them like physical attributes like
How'd you like the museum?
I wasn't paying attention. I was just banning people. Also, my mic was off the entire time. I didn't hear a single thing.
How'd you like the museum?
It was alright.
How'd you like the museum?
You know, I feel like we've seen like half the stuff before, but you know, it was great. It was so amazing. Like I loved it. Like it was so historical.
Wait, are we hitting the statue?
And I found the
I swear, all the statues look like this.
Yeah. Okay. What do they look like every single one, I swear.
Like, they have like a very like...
yes.
It's like sexy, like walk. Like, they're like walking the wrong way. Like, I can't imagine even like...
Okay, the stuff we were looking at outside was like low-key the same thing.
All the ruins started looking the same after a minute. So.
None of the ruins looking exactly the same.
My butt is vibrating every time you stick to this.
My bad, so...
Sorry.
Curly brown hair. Okay. Yeah.
Guys, I don't know if you know Story, but Story is so optimistic, always so positive, and I think she perfectly summed up what, like, the end, like, the last few days of this trip, that, like, everything started to look the same. Like, the walls started looking the same, the ruins started looking the same. Everything started to look the same. Like, it is getting so monotonous and so tiring. And people try to tell you it's different, but it's really not, man. It's just all the fucking same. All these dead people we're looking at, all these monuments we're looking at, they all look the same.
In air conditioning.
We made it. Another party starts.
Why are we dancing in Greece?
I'm literally about to exercise. I'm about to be sweating the most I've sweat this entire fucking trip because of this dance class, bro.
I've never sweat so much in my entire life, and I ran track and field, bro. Oh my god. We used to go to Arizona every summer, bro. I've never sweat this much in Arizona, bro. And it was like 116, bro. So far. What you feel about that museum?
I saw a statue of Aphrodite and like I took a picture and I was like, she's hot. Okay.
Facts.
Aphrodite's like a 12 out of 10. Because you're gonna get burned at the stake if you say anything less.
Faster.
What?
Yeah, probably.
You know, last year, my sister was she a baddie, so it's fine. She a baddie, she knows she a 10.
She baddie with her baddie friends. Soon as I just can't listen very well. There's number one diva in this game for a minute.
How do people wear pants in summer?
Bro, these next few moments, like next few clips, you're gonna be like, what the heliante is going on? Because that's our reactions. It's crazy. Like, it's so crazy. We were all so sick of each other. Sorry, my mom called. We were all so sick of each other. We all hated each other, and we were all dancing. We were all very confused. So, like, these people, weird. I don't know what the fuck was happening.
No, get your feet away from me. Like, I think I'm sad here. You were keeping my feet. I wonder how much they get paid to be here.
You think it's over, but not yet, El Mao, not yet.
Oh, wow, that's impressive. You okay? You get that? Okay, on him. knew the baby good money to go over there. Yeah, I will. Sorry, I know. I don't think I ever sent this. Now you get to see it if you watch my YouTube channel. Where did you get that beer from? What? What? Wait, whoa. Free Sarah, bro. Bro, he's still going. This bro is walking on. Show me it, bro. Oh, we're going. This is so embarrassing. Guys, this is like a prep dance. Yeah, so much was happening in that last night, but it was fun. It's funny to rewatch. And then like everybody started arguing after this. Like it was like, oh, we were so tired, we're so done. And cut to the next scene because we are leaving Greece. I don't Kalimera. I think that's good morning, but Kalimera, bitches. Hi vlog. We're going home. They're picking me up from the airport.
We in the airport and my ears flew off. This is the end of Greece. Okay, that's the end of Greece. But since this vlog is very long awaited, I will send all of the pictures. Well, not send, show you all the pictures I took. Starting with this lovely one, Greece. Here's food from the first day. Definitely something. Breakfast. This is what breakfast normally look like. Didn't really take pictures of breakfast. Nice views. And most of it is just like photos I took. Like some really good views, some ancient sites. Honestly, Greece was really cool. It was really hot. A lot of ancient stuff. At some point, it gets repetitive. It's like, how many more ancient buildings can we see? But it was cool. Greece is 100% glamorized. Like, it's like, oh, we didn't go to Santorini, which was a misfortune. But it's like, it's so glamorized into this like wonderful, fantastic vacation thing. And although it's like really cool, it's like also like quite sad how majority of their economy runs on tourism. Now, like when we were in Athens, it hit like the most to see. It's like it's quite similar to LA, honestly. And the fact that there were so many rundown buildings, so much graffiti. So although it's like a really old country, you can see that their buildings are struggling in some way, shape, or form. Delphi was really pretty though. Look at Delphi. Fantastic city.
Semi-scared
It was on top of a mountain, which was a little scary. But there was also so many rundown buildings. So just the reality of Greece. And this was a glorified school trip, to be honest. Like, Greece was really nice. Really nice to see everything. But we went to so many museums and did so many, like, restricted things. It was like, where you have to be here, you have to be here. And obviously, we're kids, so it makes sense. But, yeah, it was definitely more glamorized than we thought it would be. But it was really cool. We made our own food. We went to Athens, we went to Delphi, we went to Olympia, we went to Tolo. And we went to Aegina, which is the island. Aegina. We went to the island, which was cool. We were there for 10 days. And it was pretty rad, honestly. Would I recommend? Yeah, maybe do less stuff, though. And wear a lot of sunscreen. Okay, enjoy the rest.